Streamlit versus Gradio. Which AI app framework is better? Choosing the right AI app framework can completely change how you build and deploy models without complex coding. Streamlit and Gradio both offer unique ways to create interactive AI apps. Streamlit and Gradio are popular AI app frameworks designed for building interactive machine learning demos. The core difference is Streamlit focuses on rapid, script-based app creation with Python, while Gradio emphasizes easy sharing and user-friendly interfaces with minimal setup. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework that allows developers to build custom web apps for machine learning and data science projects quickly. By writing simple Python scripts, users can create interactive widgets, charts, and layouts without front-end experience. Streamlit automatically updates the app interface as the code changes, streamlining the development process. Its strengths lie in flexibility and integration with Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, making it ideal for data scientists and ML engineers who want full control over app design. However, Streamlit requires familiarity with Python coding and lacks built-in features for easy app sharing or user authentication. This makes it less suited for non-technical users or teams needing quick collaboration. Overall, Streamlit is perfect for developers looking to prototype and deploy AI apps with custom logic and advanced visualizations. Gradio is an open-source framework focused on building and sharing machine learning demos with minimal effort. It provides pre-built UI components like sliders, buttons, and image inputs that can be combined using simple Python functions. Gradio excels at creating user-friendly interfaces quickly, enabling developers and non-coders alike to showcase models interactively. One of its biggest strengths is seamless sharing through automatically generated public links, making it easy to distribute demos without deployment hassles. Additionally, Gradio supports integration with popular ML libraries and cloud platforms, enhancing accessibility. However, Gradio's customization options are more limited compared to Streamlit, and complex app layouts can be challenging to implement. It's best suited for users who want fast, straightforward demos or prototypes with easy sharing capabilities, especially in collaborative or educational environments. Gradio simplifies the process of turning models into interactive experiences for a broad audience. Streamlit and Gradio serve distinct needs in AI app development. Streamlit offers greater flexibility and control, ideal for complex apps requiring custom visualizations and detailed data manipulation. It fits well in environments where developers want to build tailored solutions but are comfortable with Python coding. Gradio, on the other hand, prioritizes simplicity and rapid sharing, making it excellent for quick demos, user testing, and educational use cases. If you need to share your app instantly with collaborators or clients without deployment overhead, Gradio is the better choice. The trade-off is less customization and control compared to Streamlit. Both frameworks integrate well with Python ML tools, but your choice depends on whether you value customization or ease of sharing more. Choose Streamlit if you want full control over app design and functionality, especially for complex AI projects that require advanced customization and data visualizations. Opt for Gradio if you need fast, simple AI demos with easy sharing and minimal setup. It's perfect for showcasing models to non-technical users or collaborating quickly. Both frameworks excel in their domains, so pick the one that fits your workflow best.